Hi, this is my self-introduction video in purpose of communications or NJ5. So let's start. The first question is, what is my full name? My full name is Robertson Jose Zapata. The next question is, what are my course, year, and section? My course is Bachelor in Science in Marine Engineering, and my section is 1B11, first year. And question number 3, why did I choose to take a maritime course? I decided to take a maritime course because I want to secure my future, free travel around the world, to make my parents proud, and to be a chief engineer. Question 4. How can I show respect to others in this class? Give 3 examples. First is being kind to them, second is being polite to them, and lastly is being a good listener to them. Pay attention if someone is speaking. The last question is, complete the sentence in 5 years I will be. I think I'd say in 5 years I will be a future officer on board and having a business. And now, let's move on to the last question. What legacy I choose to be remembered by? I want to be remembered by being responsible and having a dedication to my work, having a good heart to others, and being genuine persons that stay forever. That's all. Thank you.